No, I think it's very difficult because the process of education, without anybody quite knowing where the crime was committed, has turned from a handing on of cultural values to a handing on of this neurotic behavior around commodification. And people are clueless, and they're being used and abused. Seemingly intelligent people behave in incredibly stupid ways. The phenomenon of the respectability of aimless shopping. Shopping is unconscionable. It's stupid. It's tasteless. It's murderous toward the earth. And yet, people who teach at Esalen will suddenly drop their guru persona and whip out the charge plate and head for Robinson's. What kind of thinking is going on here? They are clearly not alienated enough. Alienation may be for them just a stance, but where they're really comfortable is down at Barney's, racking up the charge card. Somehow the message has to be put across that there are no exceptions to the obligation to decommodify experience. And anybody who feels alienated from this orgy of consumerism is going to have to look elsewhere for their values. I feel blessed because I guess I'm just so alienated that it doesn't touch me. But recently, for some reason, I had to lay out my income for an attorney and say how much I spent every month on things like entertainment and so forth and so on. So he called me on the phone. He said, you declared $15 a month for entertainment. He said, based on your income, do you know how much would be a standard deduction for entertainment? And I said, how much? He said, $700 a month. I said, that's inconceivable to me. What kind of idiot would I be? And I put down the $15 because I knew you wanted something. But in fact, I don't think I spend $15 a month on entertainment. What is entertainment anyway? I suppose it just sounds like preaching a kind of monkishness, but what is the charm of all this crap? Can anybody explain it to me? I heard a story about the Dalai Lama. Let this ricochet around in your mind. The Dalai Lama came to Los Angeles, and so the committee that was there to receive him and make his visit comfortable wanted to do something with him in L.A. that would be uniquely L.A., but that would be amusing for Dolly. So they decided to take him to Rodeo Drive. And basically they just turned him loose with his translator and said, we'll meet you back here in an hour and a half and check it out. This is a unique place in American culture. So then after it was over and they were all having their double espresso or the Campari or whatever they were having, the Dalai Lama said, I want to thank you so much for making this experience available to me. I feel I understand Americans so much better now. I saw so many things I wanted. This is the Dalai Lama talking. He saw so many things he wanted. Well, if the Dalai Lama is not immune, My God, what chance have you and I? If the Dalai Lama can't hold this stuff back, you might as well buy that Hermes scarf. Just give up. Give them the $200 for the damn thing and enjoy it. Yeah. Well, as an old anarchist, I can tell you, efforts to organize anarchists are so fraught with contradiction that I wish you luck, and I'll make a small donation. But I don't think it can be done that way. I think. Yes, you will definitely give me $15 worth of entertainment per month.
I'm listening to this and I'm thinking what my father would say if I told him, yeah.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but I would never do what you are doing. This may be the ultimate teaching. Do not ever again spend money to see me.